purchased this home about a year ago, and the backyard was something I always wanted to tackle. I don't have much experience within the gardening field, so I guess you could say I'm pretty much a newbie when it comes to gardening. I heard about the Oreck machine and decided to give that a try to start my first garden.
Hey, thank you too for coming out to look at the Oreck America Garden Quake, a tiller of the future. Let's review some of this. This is the front engine bumper guard, or the engine guard. We come around here, we have the choke to start it. Go to the recoil starter, using your left foot on here as a safety feature, pulling with your right hand away from the handlebars to start. To control the engine speed, the throttle is right here. To accelerate, it's down, and to decelerate, you'll turn it back up. This will slow the engine, or you can use the on-off switch here to kill the entire engine and all the components. The clutch lever goes down and engages both wheels and the rear tines in a forward motion. And by moving the transmission, the shift lever allows the tiller to go in the first gear for tilling and then up and over. This engages the tiller and the forward action, and it's the only gear that you're going to be allowed to till in. To come back out of tilling and go into second gear for transportation to and from your starting point. Reverse is, again, to move it backwards, but the tines will never rotate in reverse or second gear because that's a safety feature and will only engage up here to till. But let me show you, if you need to stop suddenly, let go.
Okay.
This will stop the wheels. And because you're also in the tilling mode, it's going to stop the tiller from rotating. I'm assuming you want some square garden or some rectangular garden too with the straight
I would be
line?
doing both.
You're doing, okay, great. So here's what you're going to do if you're going to do the straight line. You're going to bring the locking differential down, locking both wheels together, so when the tiller goes forward, it's not going back and forth like this. And you go forward, you come to the end of the roll, bring it back, turn it.
Okay.
That quickly. The rear tines have a depth bar which is controlled right here. I can go shallow or I can go deep by pulling the bar all the way up. Down for shallow, up for deeper ground. Here's the rear hood guard, which is designed to keep any debris from kicking back at you, and also a nice poly raking feature that will smooth out your freshly tilled soil and make it look professionally uniform. Down underneath here, you'll see the tines move. And here, which is most interesting, is the easy anchor. This is going to stabilize it on the ground. It's going to keep it from going side to side. It's going to keep it from hopping. And that is going to make your job a whole lot simpler.
Is that what helps give it a consistent depth through the whole garden?
Right.
Okay.
Instead of bouncing, if you hit a hard clay soil or hard pack, it will stay moving, but at a slower pace until it breaks through, and then we'll pick up. It won't bog down, but it will move and do the job completely.
I just finished using it, and I think what surprised me the most was how it self-propelled. I thought I would have to strain a lot and use a lot of muscle, but it really just moved itself very, very cleanly through.
Yeah, I was actually surprised how fast it moved and like how much dirt it still got up and how it tilled really well.
Well, I think that this is it. So are you ready for a garden every season now?
Oh yeah, I think it's going to be a routine now.